How you doing, lawn amateurs? I just wanted to shoot a quick video. This is a 24-hour update of the lawn that I sprayed with the weed killer. And as you can see, look at the weeds. That's all the nutsedge that was tangled up in my tall turf fescue. And as you can see, it's obvious that it's dying out. And this is only 24 hours after the first spray. Check out this little area here, the clovers. Look like the product is actually doing damage on it. Look, you can see here it's a little burnt here. It's discolored. The weeds are not standing up as strong and straight as they were yesterday. They're like wilting over, and the product is actually breaking down these weeds here. And this is actually side number 2. This side didn't have as many weeds because, as you can see, the lawn is a little thicker on this side. But that's the whole lawn right there. I'm gonna probably cut this grass maybe in another 2 days. I'm gonna let that product sit on them weeds a little longer. This is only 24 hours. This is side number 2. Now side number 1, look at that. This one had all the crabgrass and the nutsedge in it. And look at it. A big difference 24 hours later. If you want to go and see the before, go check out the previous video before this one. You'll see that all of this all these weeds yesterday were standing up straight, standing up nice and strong. They was green, but as you can see, as of today, this product is breaking them down. Look at the edge here. Look at that. And the grass right next to it that's tangled up in it is unharmed. So the product is working. I'm gonna spray the weeds again, and probably in another 7 to 10 days. I'm gonna get on a real aggressive weed program. Probably gonna spray another 7 to 10 days, and then I'll go from there and see if I'm gonna do a third application. I don't really want to do too many applications, but you want to get these weeds out of here. So, but that product is really working, as you can see. This is a close-up. This is the crabgrass here. Look at it. It's wilting and shriveling up. It's breaking down. Look at that. This product is actually really working. And this is all over-the-counter product. This is all the stuff that you can get at a big box store. See, you don't really need all that high price, fancy, expensive product. This is all basically a big box store, basically commercial brand product. Nothing industrial. And look at the results we're getting. I'll show you the bottle in a minute so you can see what the product is once again. But look at that. I get a close-up once again on this side here. Look at it, it's breaking down and shriveling up. And this is after just one spray, 24 hours once again. So we're gonna take you over here and show you what product I use. I use this Roundup for lawns here. This will not harm your grass. It's a big difference. This kills the weeds, not the lawn. As you can see, let's get it focused in on it. Crabgrass, dandelions, clovers, yellow nutsedge. The active ingredients right here. This product is really working, so I have no complaints about it at all. So I'm gonna take this product. I actually bought this one at Walmart for about $4.50, and I have no complaints. That's the results I'm having right here. So after these weeds go down, I'm gonna start to feed the lawn. Probably hit it with a dose of malorganite to see if it help this grass feed and thicken up. Get this grass growing in. Because it is grass tangled up inside those weeds. But as long as those weeds there, the grass will not grow, because the weeds are stealing all the nutrients and the water from the actual grass. So that's why you want to get rid of these weeds. And look at it, it's just an eyesore also. But this is 24 hours after the first spray. So stay tuned for another video. If you got any comments, hit me in the comment section. You like the video, hit thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm just trying to show you guys that you can maintain your lawn on a budget. You don't have to spend big money on trying to maintain your lawn. These are for like the amateurs, the regular homeowners, the average homeowners that want to take care of their yard but don't want to spend top dollar, but also would like to do it themselves. The DIY guys or the girls, doesn't matter, but you can do it yourself on a budget. And this is side number one. Once again, this one got hit hard by the weeds, and actually look, and as you can see, 24 hours later, the weeds are dying out. So the product does really work. Alright, so stay tuned for the next video. Take care.